And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we talked with Common Ground volunteer Karol Swan about the many methods that are used to keep our food safe and how you can keep food safe. And now, volunteer Karol Swan is back with a recipe, and Taryn is here too with more.
Yeah, I'm here too. I'm going to be put to work. All right, thank you, John. All right, Karol, you have a dessert recipe that is sure to please for Easter, perhaps.
For Easter,
Yeah.
it looks so pretty. I thought this was amazing, and it takes a white cake mix. I kind of souped up pudding, and I put powdered sugar and cream cheese in with the regular pudding and just mix it up like the box says. And you take your white cake mix, divide it into 4 dishes, and then choose 4 different food colorings. The neons work really good. Don't use yellow because it matches the pudding, so I grabbed a green out of the regular.
Okay.
So you chop up a half a cupcake, and that's what's in here. Then I put a scoop of pudding in, and just smeared.
So you want me to chop this guy?
Yes, chop that one up, and then I'll put this other little color in.
I can see kids liking to do this.
Oh yeah, yeah. So we'll put another color in and layer it.
Okay.
And then
do I need to chop up the blue one?
Yeah, you can chop the blue one too, and then we'll hopefully get it all done here. And then put another scoop of pudding. It's like a short fourth of a cup of pudding, but an ice cream scoop works good. And spread it around so it looks pretty. And then we'll put the other color in. I thought the colors,
I love that idea, yeah.
the neon just comes out really good. Perfect. And then another pudding, and then we'll put the blue on, and then we'll put some, you can use whatever topping you like.
Okay.
But I like Ready Whip.
That goes in there.
Ready Whip is kind of fun to do.
Oh yeah, and that's easy to just spray in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll do that and put sprinkles on top.
Ooh,
Whoa.
watch out.
Watch out. And see on my others it melted over there, but that's okay. It's still delicious, you know, even if it's messy, it's still delicious. And we'll see if we can get sprinkles all over. But like I said, you just stir the cake mix up according to the directions. And I made 16 cupcakes out of it. And then it makes like 8 pints if you use 16 cupcakes. There's 2 cupcakes per pint, so use a half. That's why you get the different colors, and that's why Taryn was chopping up the half.
Yay, so and this is the finished one right
that's
here.
That's the finished one,
I have to give it a try.
Yeah, you got to reach down there and get the good old pudding. And you can, if you want to save on calories, you can just use plain pudding, but I added up.
It's really refreshing.
Little extra in there.
It's kind of like that poke cake.
Yeah, it is like the poke cake.
Yeah, really refreshing.
Yeah,
okay,
a different take on the poke cake.
Yeah, I love this. This recipe is already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. If you want to give it a try for Easter, family will love it. John, back to you.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, guys.